Legacy software replacement isn't just about getting rid of an old, outdated system. It's about setting your business up for long-term success. At Onsharp, we modernize critical business systems through a proven three-step process: architect, build, and accelerate. So step 1, architect. It starts with architect before we write a single line of code. We take the time to really understand your current system, your challenges, your goals, your requirements, and then from there we create a detailed blueprint that defines the scope, timeline, priorities, and your path forward. We think through every step of the project so that there are no surprises along the way. Then we build. Our experienced US-based development team builds according to that plan, with clear communication at every single stage. You always will know what's being built, where the project stands, and what to expect next. We don't offshore development, ever. The people you meet with are the people building your system, and we've been at it for over 25 years, so you can rest easy knowing that you've chosen the best team. Once your solution is live, we accelerate. We don't just hand over the keys and wish you good luck. We help train your team, provide ongoing support, and continue partnering with you to keep your software reliable, scalable, and aligned with your business needs. If you're ready to see how our process can work for you, it all starts with a free assessment. In just 30 minutes, we'll walk through where your system stands today. You'll walk away with a clearer picture of your options and an honest, expert recommendation for next steps. Schedule your assessment today at onsharp.com.